Whoa. Whoa. That's from Nana.
It's for me.
That's from Nana.
It's for me.
Merry Christmas. What is it, Andrew?
It's mine. It's for mine. It's mine. Open it.
Wow.
It's mine.
It's an airplane. Airport. It's an airport set. Wow. Let's see a picture with Daddy. Look at the airport. It's an airport.
Wow.
It's got a luggage carrier and a luggage bag.
Andrew, look here and say thank you, Nana.
Enjoy your flight.
I did it.
Andrew. Andrew, look here. Look at Daddy. Say thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
Good boy.
We'll show Nana the video later. You got another big one from Nana. You want to see the other big one? Wow.
Do it. Can you open it?
Yeah, we'll open them in just a minute. We got some more to open though. We'll play with that one in a little bit. You want us to do another present?
For me.
Oh.
I want it for me.
I'm gonna look at Mommy's scissors.
Scissors?
All right, I'll cut the ribbons, but you just gotta take a nice picture for Nana to see, because Nana wants to see you open your present. Okay, go ahead. That's pretty cool.
How many bags will you be checking? Please proceed to the gate. 30 minutes.
Andrew, open your present.
For me. Chicken lovely pilots. Chicken lovely pilots.
Wow.
What is that? Is that a pirate ship?
Please open it.
Is that the Jolly Roger?
Please open it.
Yeah, let's show Daddy. Say thank you, Nana.
Please, Nana. Where's the secret? The secret?
Yeah. Well, we have to open some more presents and then we'll play.
What was
That's what Daddy opened. He's like, wait, there's more after this. Go put it over there next to your other one. Let's let Daddy open a present. Go give this one to Daddy.
It's okay. We can watch him first.
Let's teach him that other people do
Here,
too.
hold the camera.
Teach him to share.